Consumers trust farmers when it comes to their food supply, and that research is being shared at the South Dakota Soybean Developing Consumer Trust Workshop. Donna Menning with the Center for Food Integrity says the results of their annual survey are good news for farmers.
65% of consumers want more information about the food that they consume and that they trust farmers.
Karen Hofer doesn't take that trust for granted, and that's why she wanted to learn how to tell her story to consumers.
We want to take care of our animals so that we have a healthy, safe product in the grocery stores for them to buy.
And cattle producer Jared Quested says he wants to be transparent and learn how to have a conversation with consumers in person and on social media.
If some of us can be the connection there to farmer and consumer, we might be able to kind of jump the gap and help them understand what we're really doing with these new technologies.
This Heartland Consumer Report is sponsored by South Dakota soybean farmers and their soybean checkoff.